And why am I leaning on my truck kind of like this? Kind of weird. I don't know, it just felt comfortable. I've got this big job I'm about to do. A friend of mine has this construction truck that he owns, and he had something fall off the top. I think it was a pipe that came off the rack, and he called me up and said, hey, I got a job for you. Turns out loaded rack up there was loaded and it wasn't tied down correctly, and I think a piece of pipe fell off and hit this thing. Pretty good hit right there, and there's a body line that runs right through there too that I got to duplicate. This dent is kicking my butt. So let's see, the dent's here. You can see all those bumps going on. Let's see if I can get this thing to focus in. There you go. Just trying to smooth that out. Trying to recreate this body line right here. It's tough, man. Had the metal all hot when I was working it. It's not hot now, obviously, I'm touching it, but I need to take a breather. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and give me a like. Thank you. Take care. Here's the finished product. It's really tough. The sun's at a weird angle. I have to move the truck, but dang it. So there's the cracked paint. We got some deep cuts inside the paint there that happened from the accident. I can't do much about, but had to reduplicate that body line.